Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines in English for 12th of September. And first of all, national news. PM Modi to attend Shanghai grouping meet in Uzbekistan next week. Supreme Court has a very busy Monday to hear over 200 pleas. Taragiri, the third stealth frigate of the Indian Navy's Project 17A, was launched in Mumbai on Sunday. As Charles becomes king's Odisha village he visited in 1980 celebrated. 14 gold bars weighing over 2 kg seized from Assam bus, 2 arrested. Police. Implement policy to promote Marathi, High Court to Maharashtra government. Judiciary and executive will have to work as a team, Law Minister. Heavy rain in Odisha as depression forms over Bay of Bengal. And now some international news. Xi Jinping to leave China for first time in over 2 years amid COVID. Meet Vladimir Putin. Charles practiced being king, revealed former UK PM David Cameron. United Arab Emirates tourism earnings cross $5 billion as tourists return. Locals silent in grief for their cherished neighbor, Queen Elizabeth. China's Xi Jinping congratulated Charles on becoming Britain's king. A Hindu temple in a tiny village of Balochistan providing food shelter to people affected by Pakistan floods. First moon-shaped luxury resort might open in Dubai soon. New York declared state of emergency over polio after virus found in wastewater. 7.6 magnitude earthquake hit East Papua New Guinea. Tsunami warning issued on Sunday. Now some sports news. Iga Swiatek beat Ons Jabeur to clinch US Open crown. La Liga, Barcelona trounced Cadiz, climbed top in Spain after medical emergency interrupted game. Rangers vs Napoli Champions League game rescheduled. The Leap Trophy, West and North Zones advanced to semi-finals on basis of first innings lead. Jehan Daruwala finished third in F2 sprint race in Italy's Monza. And now news related to business. Forex reserve dipped by $7.94 billion, hit the lowest level in 23 months. India has 100 unicorns with a value at $250 million, Nirmala Sitharaman. India demonstrated resilience in face of global energy crisis, Hardeep Puri. Golden time to invest in India, Piyush Goyal to business community in US. Reliance acquired Shubha Lakshmi Polyesters for rupees 1,592 crore. 7 of top 10 most valued firms. Market value reach rupees 1.33 lakh crore. Oil prices at 7-month low but no change in petrol, diesel prices in India. Rising credit card UPI payments indicated increase in consumption. Fighting to survive, Tencent-backed music app Gaana turns to subscriptions. Now news related to science. NASA's Artemis first SLS Orion spacecraft could be launched on September 23, senior officials said. World on brink of 5 disastrous climate tipping points, a study said. A carbon footprint life cycle assessment can cut down on greenwashing. And let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 12th of September, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 36 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.